This video is about the KitFox with the Viking 110 engine. It is now flying in Florida. It has almost 300 hours on it, 280 some hours. This morning we're flying for pancakes and trying out my new iPad Pro 12.9. Excellent to fly with. And here's the Viking view. We're showing oil temps and speeds and so forth. 103 mile an hour at 4,800, which gave us a ground speed of 110. And just loafing along, enjoying and appreciating the Viking 110 in the KitFox. Here's some takeoff and landings. This is a little clip showing the banner pickup company at our airport, and they're always having fun. This one doesn't have Viking engines yet. Maybe a little longer.